today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how you can log in to your American Airlines account. Now it is very simple, but before moving on to it, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and leave a like to our video at the end. Also, check out our other contents and don't forget to share it to your friends if you find them useful. Now, let's just start with the video. Now to log into your American Airlines account, what you need to do is go to your browser and search for American Airlines Login. After you do so, go to the top site. Now go to the AAdvantage or username section and then add your AAdvantage or your username. After you do so, put in your password. Then all you need to do is press on login and then you'll be logged in into your American Airlines account. So that is all for the video guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a like at the video. Bye bye.